This is Kevin from Casco Electric. He's come in to estimate how much the electricity might cost running from this particular pole underground. To keep the building looking more authentic and old, I wanted to run it underground, and it'll go over to the blacksmith shop, and we don't know quite yet where the interior box is going to be, but we're going to try to assess that soon. Let's see, Amron said that what we should do is run it out to about 6 inches from the post.
Okay, on this side.
Yep, yeah, on this side. And they also said that it had to be 6 feet from a corner. Do you know anything about that? From a corner?
They want it within the first 10 of the corner.
Okay. Yeah, that window's kind of right in the spot where.
And we do need at least 6 inches of no obstruction of window or anything like that.
Let's see. Well, I'll let you guess.
Yeah, the window's kind of in the prime.
I know, right in the prime spot.
Right. So it's totally your call. We could probably squeeze it in. Looks like there's a stud here.
Okay.
Probably put it right at the 10-foot limit here.
Okay.
Or
maybe the side over here, possibly.
Or in here.
And even, Kevin, it could go up here even by the by this side if you want, just inside the door, if you think it'd be a better choice.
Okay. Yeah, we can explore that. The problem is we need 6 inches at least minimum off the side of the window, and the box is this wide.
Okay.
So that would put you. It would not fit here, I don't believe.
Okay.
So that would put you pretty far over.
Well, the guys are going to be doing some trenching here right away to get the electric underground conduit in. So we're going to see if we can watch them here dig a little bit. This part's a little dull. It's this little tread type excavator. There we go again. I don't think you need much narration. It's kind of self-explanatory what he's doing. Here's that water outlet I was telling you about from the city. The city came in and marked where the lines were, so he would be sure and not run over it and damage the water line that's underground. Sure beats digging with a shovel or a pick. There you go. That's some tough excavation here. Ran into some concrete old sidewalk, it looks like. I'll add it to my collection, Kevin. I was telling you about.
Well, now I know it's not a unmarked utility.
Yeah, right. Gas line. Almost there. The conduit has to go in 6 inches from the post, and then it has to stick up 6 inches from the soil, so that the electric company can then run their lines through it too and get it all hooked up.
Blacksmith to straighten that back out.
Yeah, right. That's good enough for now. And there we have it. Well, it's official. We now have electricity at the Blacksmith shop in New Haven, Missouri. The shop probably has been without electricity since the 1990s, as far as I can tell. But we trenched underground, so you don't really see the connection hanging from a telephone pole or a power pole. We ran it underground and ran it up to this transformer that's up here. So we're real happy to have electricity again in the old Blacksmith shop in New Haven, Missouri. Also going inside to show you the inside too. Here we are in the inside of the shop, and I've got a 200 amp service, which I'm sure I'll never use, but that's the minimum requirement by Ameren now. I'm going to run the saw here in just a minute and show you that I have electricity after all of these years. And as you can see, not much is being used. That's okay though. room for expansion in the future if anybody wants to bring in a welder or who knows, air condition it someday, I don't know. But anyway, we got it going. It's good to have electricity back into the shop again after all these years.
Hey, you.
Hey, how are you?
You look like you're working hard.
I am.
What you doing?
I just dropped my bit for my electric screwdriver.
What'd you find here?
Just all kinds of stuff.
What am I looking at?
You're looking at old dead gutter and flashing and drip stuff and watch your nails.
Oh my gosh.
I know it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. Did you get puppies in?